Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are passing by, consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos. Please like this video to get this video in front of other traders and to motivate me to continue making videos. Okay, so yesterday I asked you guys to like that video so that I can make this video and show you this simple way to make money on Nasdaq 100, also known as NAS100. It's a pretty simple NAS100 strategy and anyone can do it. I was shocked when I saw somebody actually selling this strategy for $200, and I don't know why people do that, but it's a simple strategy that anybody can learn. And after this video, hopefully I would have saved you $200. So what happens is, if you were trading fundamentals in forex, if you're familiar with fundamentals in forex, is you usually had to set pending orders before the news comes out, because you do not know whether it's going to go up or whether it's going to go down. So that's pretty much the approach with this strategy. Like I told you, it's a simple strategy. You don't need to predict, you don't need to guess, you just need to set pending orders. Whether Nasdaq is going to go up or whether it's going to go down doesn't matter. Either way, you are going to come out on top. So you are going to set your pending orders before the New York Open. If you are using Johannesburg time, that's 15:30 in summer. That's why some people call it the 15:30 NASDAQ 100 strategy. But wherever you are in the world, decide when the New York session of trading comes online. So 2 minutes or 3 minutes before the New York session opens, that's when you need to set your pending orders. You are setting sell orders and you are setting buy orders. That's all you need to do. And on this chart, I am using the 15-minute time frame. You can drop down to the 5. I'm not sure about the 1. I want to get a picture of what I'm doing, so I wouldn't go down to the 1, but you can try. One other thing, talking about trying, I don't want you, after watching this video, to just go and try this using your real money. I want you to open a demo, test this for a week, get a feel of how it works, get a feel of it, and then when you are happy, when you are confident, then you can start using it with your real account. Let's agree on that. Don't, after watching this video, go straight and start trading your real money. If you've been trading forex before, then it's fine, you can take that risk. But if you just want to test it out, open a demo, then test it out for a week, get a feel of how it works, then you can proceed to trade using your real money. So what you need to do is 2-3 minutes before the New York session opens. I said Johannesburg time, that's 15:30 in the afternoon in summer. I think it's 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon in winters. You decide where you are on the globe, where you are in the world. What time does the New York session, the US New York session opens? Because that's what we are aiming for. When that session opens, you are going to see a lot of volatility. As the New York traders, the New York brokers, institutions, banks, and everyone starts jumping into the stock market, and their orders start getting filled. So that volatility is what we are going to be exploiting. So you don't need to predict whether it's going to go up or whether it's going to go down. Either way you are going to win. And the good thing about pinning orders when trading Nasdaq 100 is that, unlike in forex, if you've been trading fundamentals, if you ever traded fundamentals, you know how brokers love to manipulate fundamentals, how they widen spreads, they do all sorts of things to mess up your trades. With Nasdaq, because it's the stock market, you are 90%, I don't want to say 100%, you are 90% guaranteed that you will see no manipulation like in forex. So this kind of trading style works. It has worked for me, and I've been cashing in on it before I decided that why are people charging people for these simple things? It's a simple approach and people are making money off people. Why? So I decided to just share it out there, and if you make money, I'm happy. If you don't, again, watch this video, understand how to set pending orders. What distance do you need to set the pending orders? That's why I said you need to first use this on a demo so that you get a feel of it. Typically, I use between 50 and 100 pips. Between 50 and 100 pips from the price that you'll be seeing 2 minutes before the New York session opens. So that works for me. That has worked for me. Between 50 and 100 pips. It might not work for you. And the other thing is also you need to determine your risk appetite, because if you mess this up, if you are too greedy, nobody can save you from you. If you are greedy, nobody will save you from you. No system, no approach will save you from you. You will definitely blow an account because you are just greedy, which is a bad approach to forex trading or any kind of trading. So make sure that you manage your trades, know when to take your loss, know when to take your profit. So before I speed this video up, what did I say? I said, so you open your charts 3 minutes, 2 minutes to the opening of the New York session. I love to go down to the 15-minute time frame. From there, I set my pending orders, my buy stops and my sell stops. I said don't be greedy, don't put your whole account, which is why I said test this out on demo first and get a feel of it. Test it out on demo first and get a feel of it. And I said I usually set my pending orders between 50 and 100 pips. You test it out and decide which level is okay for you. Then you wait for the market, the New York session to open, and those high frequency traders, those bankers, those brokers, you watch as volatility starts picking up, as their orders start getting filled. After that, I then come back and set my trailing stops, and then yeah, sometimes I walk away, and because I'm guaranteed. Usually when the markets are going up, they love to go up. There's a bias, there's a dominant bias with the stock market. It always has to go up. So there's a buy bias. So usually when it's buying, sometimes I can walk away for 2-3 hours, then come back and see what has happened. So watch the video. I'm going to speed it up, and then you can see what happened, especially today, because the market reversed a bit, but still I didn't get out of the trades, and I still came back up. It still came back up, and I was able to go out with a huge profit again. So yeah, this is the strategy. It's so simple. You don't need to pay somebody $200 for this. You don't need to pay somebody money for this. Test it out. Let me hear what you think. Whether the problems, anything, questions, leave them in the comments box below. Then I'll see if I can be able to assist. But otherwise, this should be child's play. Like the video again, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until next time, bye.